Okay, session number 7 in Year 8 revision is ecosystems. These are then the instructions for this revision. Number 1 is watch the session's instructions video. That is this video that you're watching at the moment. Number 2 is watch the knowledge test video that has just the questions. Right, so what that is, it's a video, it's got lots of blank questions. Pause at each time a question comes up and write your answer onto a piece of paper. Number 3, watch the knowledge test video with the answers and mark your work, then repeat any questions you got wrong. Right, so where you've written down your answers on your piece of paper before, watch the video and then mark what you've done. And if you've got anything wrong, repeat it, because if you don't know the facts, you're not going to do as well as you should. Number 4, watch the walkthrough reverse the classroom video. That has then got lots of diagrams, lots of information on it to help you with the questions at the end. And question number 5 is write the questions. So on this next part of the video, right, what there are is a number of questions. It could be 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. Write out the questions from the next part of the video into your revision book. The answers must include the key words and be in a logical sequence. 3 questions. What is the roles of the layers in a leaf and where does most of the photosynthesis occur? Right, so you've got your leaf, right, you start off at the top, you've got a thin layer, you've got holes in the bottom, right, you've seen the structure of it. Right, so what I want you to do is I want you to tell me about the roles of each layer, and in that I want palisade, mesophyll, waxy layer, stoma, guard cells. Diffusion happens within there as well, and epidermis. I also want you to tell me where does photosynthesis occur, most of it, and I want the full, balanced equation for photosynthesis. Second one, compare aerobic and anaerobic respiration in an animal and a yeast. So within that, I want oxygen, glucose, lactic acid, ethanol, energy, and oxygen debt. The final one is draw a food chain for a bark beetle, wood mouse, oak tree, and a barn owl. Now they're not in the order that you'll actually put into the food chain, and then what I want you to do then is I want you to describe the different trophic levels. The words that then you need to add into it are producer, primary, secondary, tertiary, and then consumer. Right, that's a good one, right? There's a lot of information then about plants that are in there, right, which again builds on your GCSE knowledge.